way back 1960s. So he decided to taught me the secret of San Miguel, not the X system, which he is already teaching the outside, but we are calling this Tinago, the secret of San Miguel way. He taught me everything about this, including the steeping,
There is no secret. As I said, there in Eskrima, there is no secret. The only secret in Eskrima is to bluff that you have a secret so you can keep your student. There's no secret in Eskrima. I've been doing Eskrima for the past 66 years. Since late 1945, I practice, and I know there's no secret. But there's a lot to learn, but it's never secret. What they call secret are things that they have not learned yet.
He also said that about Wake Up, that only Dosipares participate in World Eskrima Kali Arnis Federation.
John Harvey and Joe Tucker, they're not Dosipares, they're there. Former President Dosipares, you know, that's a big lie. You know, people claiming that, I can just imagine what kind of person are they. You claim, look at this, Stefan
Germany.
Germany. He's not Dosipares. He was president of Wake Up last year. He's not Dosipares.
Italian group.
Joe Tucker.
Bonomili.
Bonomili of Italy. He's not Dosipares. This guy is from Rudy Cosico and Canada. They are all non-Dosipares. In Canada, there's not one Dosipares there. That's a big lie. You know, these are people who are just trying to destroy Wake Up. But they are not Dosipares. I don't know how can these people claim Dosipares. They're not. They are in France. They are not Dosipares. And Austria. They are different styles. So, you know, I don't know why people tell lies. Lies that are easily verifiable. Lies that can easily be verified. You can just imagine what kind of liars are these people. It's very clear. I don't know what is their purpose, but we cannot blame them because maybe they thought they could get more honor, they could reap more honors by destroying others. But that is not good because records will always straighten out everything.
What can you say about this person? Message to this Dakayana.
Dakayana, you know, I don't know him very well. I heard only about him. He went to my house to explain one time the problem that about when they challenged Percival. But they said that was just a ploy in order to make money. But I don't know him very well, although I heard a lot of not very good complimentary things about him, but I don't like to say anything. You know, I'm one person that I don't like to say anything against anybody. I just want to see what is the record, what is the truth, and that's it.
He claims also that Grandmaster Momoy and Grandmaster Kakoy is half-brother.
That means he does not know the real Dosipares. While claiming to be Dosipares, he does not know the real Cañete family. So that only means he has not been involved in Dosipares. Because all history, all records, everything else points that they are the 12 Cañete siblings were full-blooded Cañetes born out of the union of Gregorio and Tranquilina Cañete, my grandparents, my paternal grandparents. That's the first time I heard about that kind of news. You can just imagine how these guys try to twist the truth. Very strange. I have to tell you this, to be honest. It's very strange. This guy claiming that rank without me seeing him, without me knowing him. You know, I am now 72 years old. We live very close to each other, Kakoy, Momoy. We just live within 2 blocks with each other. And impossible for me not to see him because I practice almost every day. Almost every day to practice. I was always in the gym. I was the Iran boy in the gym.
Siapa?
know, all we need is ask him for pictures. Huh? You ask this guy for pictures. Never mind certificate because they can forge that. Pictures, newspaper publications, doon si Paris programs, doon si Paris magazine, doon si Paris doon si Paris circulars. Impossible that you don't appear there, your name or even your picture. If you have been with Dosi Paris, if you are in 5th grade block in 1968, meaning to say, since 1960 you have been there. Because I have to tell you this, no one ever in Dosi Paris got 5th degree black belt in 5 years. It's very difficult to get the black belt in Dosi Paris. If you get 5th degree black belt in 1968, meaning to say before 1960 you are there already.
Yeah, yes, correct.
But don't tell me I have not seen you for even one time. I was always sitting in the gym almost every night.
Klaro kayo na makakya. Klaro kayo.
Tinchong, Grandmaster Tinchong has been in Dosi Paris since 1960. He has not seen this guy.
Kita na.
How old are you? 62 also?
My 63.
He is now 63 years old. Since 1960, I know him very well. Because he used to go to the gym. I see him there in the gym. But it's impossible I cannot see this guy.
Diing ka na siya gikan.
Imagine, Grandmaster Tinchong has been in Dosi Paris since 1960. Has not seen also even single time. Dakayana.
How much more na mo mga lifestyle?
Grandmaster Loloy has been in Dosi Paris 1960. So that's very strange.
Klaro kayo na makakya.
So you know what you do? It's already confirmed with Grandmaster Tinchong. He has not seen Grandmaster Loloy has not seen him. And I have not seen him. Maybe it's possible that we're all asleep every time he goes to the gym. No matter, it is not how many, even if he will produce 100 diploma, that will not cure, that will not cure on records, on documents that he has not been there. Diploma is very easy, but check on the documents, the pictures, publications, Dosi Paris magazine, Dosi Paris programs. These are the things that will prove that you have been there. It is not diploma. Diploma, you can just sign it, you can forge it. You know, that is what you, Danny, I don't like to say anything against anybody. But I want to straighten out the records. Because, you know, it is for the good of the art and for the good of all the masters. Especially that people hitting other people is not good. Because in martial art, the rule always is be humble. That only shows there is no discipline, there is no humility. That means that he is not a real master, if that is his attitude.
It's so